Environment is the surrounding or condition in which a person, animal, or plant lives or operates. How is our environment? Is it beautiful? Yes, of course. I hope everyone's wish is to live in this environment. But there is a problem called pollution. Pollution is the presence in or introduction into the environment of a substance which has harmful or poisonous effects. To see how big is this problem, I stepped out of my house and started visiting places. I started from Judicial Complex Jhajjar. You can see the waste lying everywhere near the road. This waste is thrown by the educated people. It finally ends in the stomach of animals. You can see animals finding food from the garbage. It mainly consists of plastic and household waste. Then I moved towards Badli and reached a brick industry.
Brick industry is like one behind me, right side of me, front of me, left side of me, everywhere.
I decided to count the number of chimneys. I was surprised. 52 chimneys were in front of my eyes. The chimneys are responsible for air pollution. You can see the extent of pollution. Smoke contains SO2, NO2, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. It is emitted directly to the air and causes air pollution. Clay soil is used for the manufacturing of bricks. It is taken from the agricultural land. The exploitation of the soil makes soil unproductive and make it unsuitable for cultivation. The children are living in polluted area and they are deprived of education. Then I moved towards Faridabad and see mountain of garbage. I reached the landfill site.
गुड़गांव में जहाँ जगह जगह कूड़ा पड़ा है, कुत्तों पे बड़े पॉइंट पे कूड़ा पड़ा, वहाँ पे उठाना में रखा। यहाँ गुड़गांव आता है, फरीदाबाद से भी आता है, सोलह साइड से भी आता है, पटौदी से भी कुछ आता है।
बारी में जहाँ की गुड़गांव फरीदाबाद का कचरा डंप किया जाता है, इनका कितना ट्रक आई हो रहा है? 150 ट्रक दिन का। एक ट्रक में कितना कचरा आया लगभग? हाँ, 18-19 टन।
I am on a mountain of garbage. Seeing a lovely range and eagles around me is a perspective that I normally associate with nature. But this stinking hill of garbage is a sign of something really going wrong. Garbage consists of soil, plastic, stone, cloth, glass, rubber, leather, metal, food materials, etc. Landfill sites affect groundwater, make it unsuitable for drinking, and causes cancer. Yamuna River is one of the world's most polluted river. Industrial waste, pesticide, pesticides, fecal material make the condition worst. India has rich river system, but the condition of every river is very poor. Burning of straw affects both soil and the air. It reduces soil fertility and kills friendly microorganisms and affects the air by forming smoke. Cows are reared for milk production and treated as god in Hindu religion. But sadly, what about the bulls and the calves? They are stray animals or avara pasu. They harm crops due to loss of their habitat, like bunny in Haryana. Animals feed on the garbage. They find food from the garbage. Sometimes they feed on plastic or metal or any other thing. Our garbage harm other animal and may kill them. There is more carbon emission which leads to climate change and increases global temperature. The consequences are in front of us. Our country is the most polluted country in the world. The quality of air is very poor. Sadly, Gurgaon is the most polluted city. India ranks 177 out of 180 in the Environmental Performance Index. 92% of people worldwide do not breathe safe air. Air pollution is the invisible killer. Pollution causes fever, cancer, headache, kidney failure, heart disease, and many other diseases. We had faced floods that was dangerous than ever before. There has been a 50% increase in the number of threatened species in India in the last 7 years. The real crisis is not global warming or environmental destruction, it's us. These problems are byproducts of us. We should have right to eat food that is safe and nutritional, drink water that is clean, breathe air free of toxic. These are our natural rights, not the things that can be bargained for in the parliament. The solution of pollution is planting more and more trees, using less plastic, focusing on renewable energy like solar energy, wind energy, etc. These are our some initiatives for the awareness.